Hi there. Welcome once more to Crunchworth's Kitchen. Today we are making Bofrot. Yes, it is Bofrot o'clock, and we are going to make one of the best recipes you will ever make. Here's your list of ingredients on your screen. So in a mixing bowl, combine all your dry ingredients, stir and set aside. Now add your evaporated milk and vanilla essence to the warm water. Stir. Make a hole in your flour mixture and pour this liquid mixture in there. Just pour. Okay, now you're gonna mix this with your hands. It's gonna be mixed evenly until there are no lumps in this mix. So you mix until it's smooth, and then you keep beating. You see how sticky this is now? Sticky and doughy. Look at that. Look at it when I scoop it. That tells you it's gonna be perfect. This Bofrot is gonna be so delicious, I tell you. Look at that. So now you cover your dough with a cling film and a damp kitchen towel and set it aside in a warm place to rise. I, however, choose to warm my oven. I preheat my oven and turn it off and leave my dough in there for about 45 minutes. 45 minutes to an hour, and normally it rises just enough to go because I really don't have the time. So it's been about 45 minutes, and we're going to take a peek and see. Hopefully we're good to go. Yes, our dough is good. I can tell straight away because when you see those bubbles, then you know your dough is perfect. I just love the feel of this. It's so squishy, but you have to stir it once more to get all the bubbles out. So give it a little bit more beating gently. Yes, this is going to be a crowd pleaser. And I already have my oil heated. It's going to be deep fried, so my oil is ready. And I'll be start scooping in my Bofrot, the dough mixture. There you go. You just drop it in like that. I don't think there's any special technique. When I see the pros, do it, I marvel, but you still yield the same results anyway. You just drop it in there and you see how that is flipping. When the dough is so good, it just that your Bofrot doesn't settle in the bottom of the pan when you scoop it in. It rises to the surface, and that's perfection. So keep dropping that in. I like to fill my pan as much as I can because when they are hugging each other like that, they don't keep flipping, they stay, and then you get to flip it around so it cooks evenly on all sides. So I'll keep dropping this in. I'm a little slow, I know. I'm doing this video by myself, so it's a little bit hard. Anyway, so what's your favorite thing to have with your Bofrot? Probably just like that, right? Yeah. I normally just like it hot, straight from the oil. Bofrot is not Bofrot when it's not freshly made, I think. And today we are having ours with some cocoa. I'm making cocoa on the side as I fry this. My daughter, she just loves Bofrot. She calls it boofrot. And when she wakes up, she's still sleeping. I was trying to make this so that when she wakes up and sees it, she's gonna be so delighted. Now that I'm frying it, I bet she'll wake up soon and come over. Anyway, here. So you keep flipping. You don't let it settle in the oil, one side stay in the oil for too long because you want it to be evenly cooked and not burnt. Look, so perfect. So we are frying until it's golden brown. Let me tell you this. Once you're done scooping your Bofrot mixture in your hot oil, I advise that you turn it down onto low or medium heat, and then you keep turning it. That is the secret to having perfectly cooked, perfectly crunchy on the outside but soft on the inside. Bofrot. Look at that. Beautiful. This is going to be good. I really hope you're going to try this. And when you do, leave me a comment. Anyway, so we are having ours with some cocoa, like I told you before. This is corn porridge, spiced with some ginger and pepper. And it is going to be good. Of course, it has some winter. I almost forgot about that. And breakfast is going to be good. So thanks for watching. And I really hope this recipe is useful to you. When you try it and it comes out so perfect, please leave a comment and tell your friends about the channel. Anyway, time to sit down and enjoy my breakfast. Look at that. So beautiful. Soft, pillowy on the inside, crispy and crunchy on the outside. Just perfection. Try it. You will love it.